If you are wondering if we have macro mode on POCO M8 Pro, then the answer is no. There is no dedicated macro mode, no macro button, no option that allows you to switch to the macro camera. So in that case, if you want to take macro photos, it is still possible to do so. But instead of using that dedicated mode, you just have to do this by yourself manually. And in that case, you want to stick with the photo mode, let's say. You can of course use Pro mode as well, but let's keep the photo mode in this example. And we need to point at our small subject that we want to take the picture of, but we want to keep the distance a little bit. Because if we keep it too close, then you will notice that the image becomes blurry. We want to keep the focus. And if you want to zoom in, if you want to get closer actually, then you want to zoom in. This is what I'm trying to say. And usually you want to use something like 3-4x at most, because the more zoom you use, the worse the quality of the photo will be. So you don't want to use like 10x, for example. Well, if you want, you can try, of course. I'm not saying that you can't at all. But if you're looking for a decent quality, then usually something like 2-3-4x should be enough. And that is pretty much it. There we go. Subscribe to my channel.